Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your account with Intuit, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your account with Intuit, start by visiting the official Intuit website. Once on the home page, look for the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on sign in to access the login page. Enter your registered email address and password in the appropriate fields. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button. If this is your first attempt to sign in, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Intuit. Open the email and locate the verification link provided. Click on the verification link to confirm your identity. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you click the verification link, you'll be redirected back to the Intuit site. Here, you may need to complete additional security questions as part of the verification process. Follow the prompts to answer any security questions. After answering, you should be successfully signed into your account. If you encounter any issues, click on the Need Help option on the login page. You can also use the Forgot Password link if you need to reset your password. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. Once your account is verified, you will gain access to all Intuit services. Make sure to update any outdated information in your account settings. Your account verification is now complete, ensuring a secure experience with Intuit services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.